to Epcot.
Hi.
Welcome to our vlog of Epcot. We are on our way to Frozen, whatever it's called. Never been on it.
Ever After or something like that? I don't know.
I think it's Frozen Ever After. The boat ride.
We haven't been on it yet.
I didn't even.
Neither one of us. So.
I didn't even see Frozen until we were watching it last week.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Movie.
Good soundtrack. So we're gonna do that. What else do we have?
I think Living with the Land.
Yes.
And then Nemo.
Yep. Actually, yep and yep.
Yeah.
And we've only been on Living with the Land once, so still got plenty to see on that. So here we go. Showcase. Testing. 1, 2. Showcase. What you doing? Taking pictures?
Yeah.
Anyway, this is the best time to be here. There is nobody here. It's like 9:30. I don't know if they opened at 8 or 9, but they're also not serving alcohol yet, so. To Frozen! Literally nobody here. No alcohol, no people. Ah, Norway. Home of the grass roofs. There's grass on the roof. There's grass on that roof.
Where is the ride?
This way? I don't know. Fast pass
It's only
this
20
way.
minutes long.
That's
Ride's only
surprising.
20 minutes. Yeah. Maybe there's not a lot of people here.
Oh, nice. Row 1.
And the most recent
This is made a magic winter show, like summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going into Nelson's ice palace with you and you. First time in forever, we get to share this frozen fun.
Never mind. Now we are. Okay. Whoa.
Butt's wet. Ride review.
I thought it was a lot of fun. I wish it was a little bit longer, but like the effects and everything was really cool, and I really liked that there was drops on there. That was fun too.
I like it. I like that more than Navi River Journey.
Yeah, me too.
It's like dark and it's a boat ride, but that one's more, you go backwards and it's fast.
Yeah.
And it's got drops.
And
I didn't really get the
a
drop.
little bit wet on there though.
I think I got one drop in there, but I didn't get the last. There's like a big abominable snowman that sends you down. Bye. Now we're gonna go. What do we have next? Living with the Land.
At 10:15.
But we got some time to kill, so we're gonna see how long Test Track is.
That's our favorite ride.
All right, we're gonna do Mission Space. We're gonna do the green side because Babe gets a little motion sickness. So if you get a little queasy, go on the green side, and it doesn't. I don't think it spins. And we've been on this once. We did the orange side. She crapped her pants, and yeah, it was fun. I haven't been on it since they updated the mission though. So I wonder what these people are doing back here. I thought they were animatronics for a second, but I wonder what they're really working. I wonder if they're actually working on
Attention
something.
astronaut candidates. If you are uncertain whether orange team
First minimum, first space station. First family in space. Wait a second. Hey, dogs can't go in space. Just finished Mission Space. Green side, less intense. Did you like that side?
Yes, it wasn't. Not that I was scared on the other one, but it just made me feel sick because I think the guy said that it spins you up to 35 miles per hour or something like that. G-force, and so The green one was a lot better. I didn't feel sick at all. It felt kind of like Soarin' a little bit. So I liked that one a lot.
You get a little launch, like same kind of launch almost, not as intense. And then the rest is like Soarin'. You just kind of fly over Earth.
Yeah, at the very beginning I thought I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be bad again, but it was actually fine.
Now we are off to the, what do you call it? The land pavilion. And we're gonna go on living with the land. A second boat ride today. Boats.
Back, I was taking a picture.
We're going on a lot of, well, it's our second boat ride today.
Yeah, I like this ride.
Maybe we can go on the Mexican boat ride after this. No?
If it's short.
Okay.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
Never seen raw pepper.
Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted
you see the little
to
peppers?
growing in less than
Peppercorns?
ideal conditions.
Oh, hit it, Mickey.
Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. You probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are three of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water and pesticides.
Watermelons?
Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests, like aphids and flies, we are
Got
significant.
off living with the land. It's very lively. Got to see all the peppers and everything else. I never saw an actual pepper plant. Did you see the pepper plant?
Yes.
Like pepper, like ground pepper?
Yep.
Yep. We just got a little snack.
I got a
snack.
Mickey pretzel for the very first time. It was good. And I got this really yummy blue slushy thing. It's like Fanta blueberry.
It's a carbonated
It's
slushy.
really yummy.
The pretzel's gone. I
Really?
got a vegetable bowl. It was all right. I never get them because I always think the vegetables are gonna be like rotten.
Look.
Well, not rotten, but not fresh. Friends, not the people, the fish. Oh, I lost her. Bruce. Never noticed him. I never really look at this wall. Oh my god, I can already feel the air.
Games? I love games! Ooh, and I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right! Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of blue.
Fish are friends, not food. Delicious friends. I wonder if clownfish taste funny.
So we are inside Mouse Ears, cooling off. Found ourselves in the Incredibles section, and I found this a whole stand for Edna Mode. What do you got?
She
Elastigirl?
stretches.
She actually stretches. Oh, that's like Stretch Armstrong. Good idea. Do you remember Stretch Armstrong? Well, if anyone remembers Stretch Armstrong, they have an Elastigirl version now. I really like this little Edna cup. It has all her little quotes on it.
Look at his shirt.
Oh, that's cool. So we're in like the kitchen nook, and I like how Disney just kind of, they leave some of their merchandise kind of just open to interpretation. Like, what is this? It could be a big bowl. You could make your own kitchen sink, or you could put spoons in it, or a plant. You could put a plant in here. What would you put in this? Soup?
I'll put soup in it. Or cereal.
And then there's this one. You could put spoons in, I guess, or
Where'd you
one
get this
spoon,
from?
or up there.
I can arrange that.
You know. Don't break that.
I'm gonna drop it.
What else we got around here? We got some picture frames. I kind of like this plush, not a plush, this blanket, this throw. How much is this? Oh, I don't like it that much. Rolling out the red, white, and blue.
It's kind of cool.
This reminds me of like oh, these are like dishes. I thought they were gonna be like, well, I thought they were gonna be like plastic. This is like all like, if you had a barbecue outside, it would look good. So a little persistence pays off. We used our 3 fast passes, and then it was 12 o'clock when we got off of Nemo. And I just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And I got us a test track at 12:40.
Yay! That's my favorite right here.
So we just strolled around Mouse Gears for a little bit, and now we're gonna hop on test track, get a little rush, and then
What did you get on Mouse Gears?
I will show you that soon. I got myself something I've been wanting. It's one of the little
Pass holder exclusive.
annual pass holder merchandise things. We're designing our ride. Very mean. Ooh,
This looks so thick.
I like it like that.
Why?
Here's what we're working with. It should be pretty fast.
I picked the color.
Big pick the, it's like purpley pink.
Purple.
Oh. It's not very responsive,
That's okay.
but it's powerful. Look at what everybody else built on the way by. Whoa, what is that? Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing sim car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Hold on.
Can't see.
I know, it's really bright.
Bring it on back. Reel it in. See how we did.
Displaying power test results. Sim track performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing.
That's gonna do our Epcot trip. So we got to ride Frozen, Living with the Lands,
Mission Space.
Mission Space, Green Side, Nemo,
And Test Track.
and Test Track. All did we use all those for Fast Pass? How did we do
Except
5?
for Mission Space.
Oh yeah, Mission Space was only a 10-minute wait.
So we didn't have fast pass for that, but then the rest of them we did.
It's a good day to be here.
Oh, ball's right behind us.
Even on the way out, Spaceship Earth was only, it said 20 minutes, but it kind of looked questionable. But
Yeah, we had a super successful ride day for sure. We never ride that many rides. We normally only ride like our 3 fast passes and that's it. So we got really lucky.
so it's 1 o'clock. What time we get here? 9? Not, probably after 9.
A little bit after 9, I think.
Successful.
Yeah.
Now we're off to Disney Springs for lunch because it is Father's
With
Day.
the parents.
So we're going to Morimoto, Asia. I liked where we got parked today. I've never parked over here. We're in the Journey parking lot, and we literally, you just walk right down the bus loop and you're in the park. So we don't have to take the tram, and it's really not a long walk. We've been walking for like 5 minutes. Yay. You sure yours is still hot? No, warm it up.
I'm fine.
Okay. Are you filming?
Yep.
Can I eat?
Yep.
Well, we made it back home after an adventurous day. And here is my souvenir for the day. Maybe put it in front of my face. There we go. So it is a Tervis brand cup, I guess, whatever you want to call these, tumblers or sippers. But it's actually the Tervis brand, which is good. That's why I got it. Keeps like cold stuff cold for 6 hours, hot stuff hot for hotter, I think. Anyway, you had to be a pass holder. You have to be a pass holder to get this cup. See how it says pass holder, like the magnets? Yeah. And I'm also riding a late train on this. This cup's been out for probably a month now, but I got one. After my annual pass holder discount, it was $23 even. They're $26.99 usually. Dolly is wearing some ears. Hello. And that will conclude, that's probably gonna end up being a thumbnail. This will conclude our Disney day.
Bye now.
Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and we will see you later. I know you're mad.